Imagine having access to a treasure trove of marketing insights at your fingertips. That's exactly what the US database from Udvik Advertising offers. With detailed information on millions of businesses, you can target your campaigns with laser precision. Picture this: you're crafting a marketing strategy, and instead of guessing your audience, you can tap into verified data that reveals their preferences, behaviors, and even their purchasing power. This database isn't just a collection of names, it's a powerful tool that helps you connect with the right people at the right time. Whether you're looking to expand your reach or refine your messaging, having access to such comprehensive data can elevate your marketing game. It's about making informed decisions that drive results. So, why settle for generic outreach when you can personalize your approach and truly engage your audience? Dive into the data and watch your campaigns transform.